Welcome to the Cliffs of Moher, Ireland's natural wonder, where history, culture, and breathtaking landscapes converge. Rising over 700 feet above the Atlantic, these cliffs offer some of the most stunning views in Ireland. Formed over 320 million years ago, these cliffs are a testament to the Earth's natural history. The Cliffs of Moher are steeped in Irish history and folklore, standing as silent witnesses to Ireland's past. These cliffs are not just a geological wonder, but also a haven for diverse species of birds and unique plant life. While attracting millions of visitors annually, there's a strong emphasis on conservation to preserve this natural beauty. The Cliffs of Moher are deeply ingrained in Irish culture, inspiring artists, musicians, and storytellers for generations. Today, the cliffs offer modern amenities, making them accessible and enjoyable for all visitors. From hiking the scenic trails to capturing the perfect sunset, the Cliffs of Moher offer an array of unforgettable experiences. As we conclude our journey, the Cliffs of Moher stand as a majestic reminder of Ireland's natural beauty and heritage.